Hello everyone, this is Fai. Finally, it's time for another makeup tutorial inspired by Blackpink. And today I'm gonna recreate Jisoo makeup look in How You Like That. So if you want to know how to do it, make sure to watch this tutorial until the end and let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna start with the base makeup first. I'm gonna apply the foundation, which is one shade lighter than my skin tone color. And then I'm gonna cover my dark circles. I'm not gonna lie, I look like a panda without concealer. And then I'm gonna draw my eyebrows with a medium brown eyebrow powder to create a softer look. I'm trying to make the shape look like Jisoo's eyebrows. And then blend the powder a little bit around this area to create dimension. Next, I'm gonna contour my face to make it look smaller. Start from the nose and then the side of my face. I've gained some weight during quarantine and it made my cheeks look chubbier. As you can see now, I'm trying hard to hide them. For the makeup, I'm gonna use a coral color as the base eyeshadow. Apply it all over the upper and lower lids. And then I'm gonna apply this light red color onto the upper lid and also a little bit onto the lower lid near the tear duct. And then I'm gonna apply this color near the eyebrows to create dimension. Next, I'm gonna take Bittersweet from Naked Smoky palette and apply it onto the middle part of my lids by using my finger. Next, I'm gonna rim my eyes with a brown eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of glitter eyeliner near the tear duct. After that, I'm gonna apply a black liner onto the upper lash line and make a soft cat eyeline. Next, apply the falsies and apply mascara. This time, I'm recreating Jisoo's eye makeup which uses eye jewels. So now I'm gonna finish off the eye makeup by applying 3 eye jewels onto my eyes. And then for the blusher, I'm gonna mix the colors to get the color that I want. Just apply the first one around the cheeks. And for the second color, apply it in circular motion. Last, for the lips, I'm gonna apply a pink mauve lipstick all over my lips. And I'm trying to make my lips look a bit curved like Jisoo's lips. And then apply a taupe color onto the inner part of my lips and blend it differently. And the makeup is done. This is the finished look. It's so easy, right? If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate all your support and thank you for watching. Bye!